Hey, did you ever wonder how you could switch your avatars around to maybe make it a little more holiday? Well, I've got something kind of cool for you to hear today. So first things first, I shared with you in your Google Drive a new folder called CD Boo Avatars. If you right click on that, you want to hit download. So you'll be downloading a whole bunch of really cool little avatars for your students. Just like that. Okay, so now that you have this downloaded, it's going to show up here in your Finder. You'll be able to find it under Downloads. And there they are, the CD Boo avatars. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your ClassDojo account and you are going to select Options, click on the drop down, and go to Edit Class. Now from here, you just want to click on any student and their avatar, their current avatar will show up there in the box. What you want to do is you want to click on that box and avatar, and now you can select a monster for your students. Okay, I'm going to click on that drop down menu and I'm going to look for a whole new set. So click on Create New Set, and now I'm going to call this one Boo Avatars, and I'm going to click on Create a Monster Set. Now ClassDojo is going to ask me to upload the monsters. So I'm going to click on that blue button, Upload Monsters. And from there, what I want to do is I'm going to click on Choose Files. And then I want to make sure that I am in my computer. I'm going to go to Downloads. And from there, I should be able to find something called CD Boo Avatars right here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select all of them. So I'm going to click on one, and I'm going to click Propeller A, and I'm going to collect all of those. So click on Command or Propeller and A, select them all, and hit Open. From here, I'm going to click Upload, and it's going to upload 36 monster files. It will only choose those that are an image, a PNG, or a JPEG file. So once you have those all loaded, it should take you just a few moments. A little slow. Now my upload's complete and I can see my monsters. You can see them all showing up here. I'm going to hit Save Set. And now what I can do is I can select a monster to replace this avatar out. So I'm going to click this monster right here, and I'm going to hit Done. So now my student, #white, now has a brand new avatar. Of course, that student, you can always go back in, click that avatar, and you can resume the old monster. But for right now, why not change it up and have something kind of cool? So now I'm going to click out of there. I'm going to go on to Adrienne Paul, click on hers, and again, I'm going to select a new avatar, and I'm going to click Done and Save. Okay, so hers is changed. I'm going to go back in and click on white. I'm going to click this one and Done. And it's going to want me to save, so I'm going to add something for the last name here because it's not going to let me do it otherwise. And click Save. All right, same goes with Lisiana. I can click on her and go right in and select a new avatar right there. Click Done and click Save. It's a whole lot of fun, and your students will absolutely love seeing their new avatars show up, and you can see the first few of them in Dorinda's class showing up. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask, and I would be glad to help. But imagine your kids surprised seeing their avatars dressed up as something totally different. Have a great day.